Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope so you are fine. Open your SST's book, page number 15. Unit number 1, part 3, Life in Deserts and Forest Regions. Deserts. There are many hot and cold deserts in the world. Deserts form in places where there is very low rain. As you can see in the map below, most of the deserts are in the western part of the continents. Some of the different types of deserts are described here. Number 1, polar deserts. These deserts are at the two poles of the earth, the Arctic and the Antarctic. Subtropical deserts. These are close to the tropic north and south of equator. The winds that blow across the deserts are dry, so very little rain falls here. The Sahara Desert, in the Arabian Desert and Kalahari Desert are deserts of this type. Continental desert. These deserts are in the middle of the continent. Winds do not bring rain clouds so far inland. The Gobi Desert, Kizilkum and Dasht-e-Lut in Iran are examples of continental desert. Now open page number 16. The Atacama Desert in Chile, South America is in the rain shadow of the Andes Mountains. It has not received any rainfall for several years and is known as the driest place on the earth. Coastal deserts. In some coastal areas, dry land winds blow throughout the year. They do not carry much moisture, so no rain falls and the land becomes a desert. The name desert in Namibia is a coastal desert. Climate. All deserts have very low rainfall, less than 50 centimeter in a year, and sometimes there is no rain for several years. In cold deserts, the temperature remains below 5 degrees C during winters. In hot deserts, temperature up to 60 degrees have been recorded. It is hot during the day, but the temperature drops at night. This is because during the day the land heats up very quickly. At night the heat escapes quickly. 2. The local winds in the desert are usually dry and dusty. This make life very uncomfortable. These winds have local names. In the northern Sahara, they are called the Khamsin, and in the Harmattan, in the Mediterranean, they are known as the Sirocco. Sometimes there are whirlwinds, sometimes there are sandstorms. The wind in the sandstorm is so strong that the sand is blown all over the place. Land. About 1/5 of the earth's land surface is desert, but not all deserts are sands. Some are rocky. Some deserts are caused by too much cultivation. When good fertile land is used for too long, too many trees are cut down and all the water is used up, the land becomes barren and unproductive. Desert also created when grazing animals eat up all the vegetation and the land gradually becomes barren. The dry soil is blown away by the wind and plants can no longer grow there. In sandy desert, the sand is not always flat. Crescent shaped dunes are formed by the wind. In deserts, the Middle East, there are dry river beds called valleys, or if there is any rain at all, a wadi can flood within minutes. Page number 17. Sometimes in the middle of the desert there is a source of water. Perhaps it is a spring or a water hole. Trees such as a date palm and other hardy plants can grow around it. Often a small settlement forms around the spring. Such an area is called an oasis. Vegetation. Desert plants have few leaves and thick fleshy stems. These plants are usually spiny. The, the thick stems store water. The spines prevent desert animals from eating the plants. The root of desert plants spread very far in search of water. However, they do not usually go very deep, so that when it rains, the root can absorb the water before it soaks into the ground. Like cactus or desert vegetations, animals and people. Desert may be Deserts may be dry and unwelcoming for people, but they are not without animal life. Lizards, snakes, scorpions, foxes, gerbies, hagdugs, insects, and birds live in the desert. In Australia, there are kangaroos and wallabies. In the Thar, Arabian, and Sahara Desert, camels are used to transport goods and peoples. The camel is known as the ship of desert because now, page number 18. It can travel for many miles across the sand. It can store water for a long time, so it does not need to drink often. Its flat padded feet do not sink into the sand. Its long eyelashes protect its eyes from the sand. It can also close its nostrils to keep the sand out. In these ways, it is adapted to life in the desert. The human population in desert region is very low. The harsh climate, lack the vegetation and water, and mostly undeveloped land do not attract people to settle here. Mostly nomadic tribes like the Bedouin in Arabia and